Good morning, welcome. This is Waec here, 2020 English Objective Past Question. Question number 75. The instruction here says, shows the word that is the most suitable to fill the numbered gaps in the passage. And this passage is from what we call register in English. Then this register is from transportation, and under transportation we are considering what we call road transportation. And the sentence here says there are driving schools with qualified dash to prepare prospective drivers. There are driving schools with qualified dash to prepare prospective drivers. So option A, trainers; B, instructors; C, experts; D, teachers. So the four options here are synonymous in nature. So they are interrelated by their interpretations, by their meaning or definition, and so on and so forth. But in this content we cannot use teacher, then we cannot also use experts, then we'll have preferred to use instructors. But the next sentence that follow this expression tells us that instructor cannot function in this sentence. So trainers is our correct option here, option A. So there are driving schools with qualified trainers to prepare prospective drivers. So option A is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more videos.